I've already done the retreat once before, loved it last time. I just chill out so much. I love this environment. Just loved it, everything.
Everything from start to finish has been perfectly run. Everything, and I couldn't think of one thing that would make it a little bit better, to be honest.
Yeah, that's been wonderful, lovely.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it. Good experience. Feel really relaxed, and I just feel like a brand new person.
Been wanting to do one of Lisa's retreats for a long time, and the timing's just worked, and it actually exceeded what I was expecting. It's my first ever retreat, and it was amazing.
It's just difficult to find the words really, because there's just so much in the whole week, and every little bit just creates this magical experience. It's just so well planned and thought through, and it's been really beautiful.